Wanna know how to set up a device in Reolink? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, simply install and open up Reolink. If you haven't, we have also created a video on how to do it, so make sure to watch it. Now, once you have opened Reolink up, here you should be welcomed with this page right here. Now, this is your home and on your device. Now, since you want to set up a new device, just simply select add new device right here. Now, once you've selected add new device, a scanner should open up. So if there is a QR code or if there is any scanner on your product, you can just simply navigate to it and scan it. It should automatically be set up. So if there's none and if you can't scan it, you can just simply select manual input. So once you've selected manual input here, you can just simply type in your UID, hit towards IP and then link. And once that is done, you should be all good and ready to go. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.